Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from Android to SIM. It's really simple and easy. So if you want your contacts in your SIM, because many times we change our phone and we lost our important contacts. So to avoid this, we should save our contacts in SIM. So if you are here in contact list, here you will not see any option to copy your contacts. Even if you go to the settings, you will not see any copy contacts option here. You will see import or export contacts option, but you will not see copy contacts. So to copy our contacts, you need an application. So go to your Play Store or App Store, and then you have to download this application copy to SIM card. Just simply tap on it and then simply tap on this install button here. After downloading, just simply tap on this open here, tap on this allow, and then you have to wait a little bit. It will, as you can see, reading contacts. So just wait a little bit, and then you can easily select the contacts here, or you can select all of them and then simply tap on these three dots here and then tap on this copy selected to SIM, and your contacts will be copied. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.